See, Dad, no. See the bubbles coming up down when you're in there. It's oxidising the water. It's making it rusty. It's a bit like bubbles have been a bit. Them ox bubbles. Taking the metal in the water. I think it's hidden bubbles. Can you see them? I'm going to turn it rusty. When you put it in a couple of hours ago, it's oxidating. Water's a corrosive. Killer, isn't it? You see the bubbles. It's just like anything really. What's in your tea box? Oxygen exhaust things and clean films, like water. So it's really good. Like anything that your pores and but we just see it H2O. It's more than actually the bubbles. They're very quick to get them in anymore. When you see them, it's getting rusted. They get away from that boat. I'll leave it in a couple of days. Have an experiment. See, it's cloudy. How rusty is it, cloudy? Turn it all rusty. Stop it tape.